Assalamualaikum. Hi guys, welcome back to Tri Erlang channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Pada tutorial sebelumnya, kita sudah belajar menghafal nama-nama dari 16 tenses. Pada tutorial kali ini, saya akan menjelaskan tenses dari present. Yang pertama adalah simple present. Simple present digunakan untuk menyatakan suatu kegiatan atau aktivitas yang berlangsung di masa sekarang atau kebiasaan, dan untuk menyatakan kebenaran umum di masa sekarang. Rumus untuk positive sentence yaitu subject plus verb 1 s atau es plus objek. Yang subjeknya they, we, I, you, atau lebih mudah dihafal Dewi Ayu, itu verb 1-nya tidak memakai s atau es. Contoh dalam kalimat I speak English, you speak English, we speak English, they speak English. Kalau subjeknya he, she, it, Ali, verb 1-nya ditambah s atau es. Kalau she speaks English, he speaks English, Ali speaks English. Oke, itu tadi contoh dalam kalimat positive sentence. Dan sekarang ke negatif. Negatif rumusnya gimana? Subjek plus do atau does plus not plus verb 1 plus objek. Yang subjeknya they, we, Ayu menggunakan do, dan he, she, it, Ali menggunakan does. Contoh, I don't speak English, you don't speak English, we don't speak English, they don't speak English. Kalau she doesn't speak English, he doesn't speak English, Ali doesn't speak English. Oke, sekarang interrogative sentence atau kalimat tanya. Rumusnya do atau does plus subject plus verb 1 plus objek. Contoh, do you speak English? Apakah kamu bicara bahasa Inggris? Karena subjeknya you, maka pakai do. Kalau she, does she speak English? Jadi, kuncinya dari simple present itu positif 1 plus s atau es. Tidak ada yang memakai verb 1 s atau es kecuali simple present positif saja. Dan juga do, does pada negative and interrogative sentence. Tak ada tenses lain yang menggunakan do, does kecuali simple present, negatif, dan interrogative. Sekarang keterangan waktu yang digunakan untuk simple present seperti always, often, seldom, never, sometimes, occasionally, once a week, usually, every, generally, steadily. Yang kedua adalah present continuous. Present continuous digunakan untuk menyatakan suatu kegiatan yang sedang berlangsung di masa sekarang. Jadi, kegiatan itu berlangsung ketika kita sedang berbicara. Rumusnya Untuk positif, itu adalah subjek plus to be plus verb ing plus objek. To be itu apa aja? To be itu ada 3. Is, am, are. Kalau subjeknya I, to be-nya am. Kalau you, we, they, to be-nya are. He, she, it, Ali, to be-nya is. Contoh, I am speaking English. You are speaking English. We are speaking English. They are speaking English. She is speaking English. He is speaking English. Ali is speaking English. Sekarang negatif sentence atau kalimat negatif. Rumusnya subjek plus to be plus not plus verb ing plus objek. Contoh, I am not speaking English. We are not speaking English. She is not speaking English. Oke, sekarang kalimat tanya atau interrogative sentence. Rumusnya to be plus subjek plus verb ing plus objek. Contoh dalam kalimat. Am I speaking English? Are you speaking English? Are we speaking English? Are they speaking English? Is she speaking English? Is he speaking English? Is Ali speaking English? Oke, saya ulangi lagi. Kunci daripada continuous itu adalah to be plus verb ing. To be plus verb ing. Yang ketiga, present perfect. Yang berarti sudah. Present perfect digunakan untuk menyatakan suatu kegiatan yang sudah terjadi di masa sekarang dan berdampak di masa sekarang. Contohnya, saya sudah makan, sekarang saya masih kenyang. Nah, itu pakai present perfect. Rumusnya apa untuk positive sentence? Subjek plus have atau has plus verb 3 plus objek. Subjek I, you, we, they pakai have. Subjek he, she, it, Ali pakai has. Contoh, I have spoken English. You have spoken English. She has spoken English. He has spoken English. Ali has spoken English. Sekarang negatif sentence. Rumusnya subjek plus have has plus not plus verb 3 plus objek. Contoh, I haven't spoken English. Have not bisa dibaca haven't. You haven't spoken English. We haven't spoken English. They haven't spoken English. She hasn't spoken English. He hasn't spoken English. Ali hasn't spoken English. Sekarang kalimat interrogatif atau kalimat pertanyaan yang rumusnya have has plus subject plus verb 3 plus object. Contoh, have you spoken English? Have we spoken English? Have they spoken English? Has she spoken English? Has he spoken English? Has Ali spoken English? Jadi, kuncinya perfect itu adalah have, has plus verb 3. Yang berarti sudah. Jadi kalau saya bilang I have eaten rice, berarti saya sudah makan nasi. Have you eaten rice? Apakah kamu sudah makan nasi? Tenses pada present itu 4 tadi apa? S, C, P, PC. Sekarang kita sampai yang keempat, yaitu PC, yaitu Present Perfect Continuous. Digunakan untuk menyatakan suatu kegiatan yang sudah dan sedang berlangsung di masa sekarang. Rumusnya, subjek plus have has, karena perfect maka pakai have has, plus been plus verb ing plus objek. Karena continuous maka pakai to be plus verb ing. Sekarang to be-nya have has itu apa? Been. Maka setelah have has sebagai perfect dilanjut sebagai continuous, yaitu to be plus verb ing, berarti to be-nya have has, been plus verb ing. Contoh, I have been speaking English. I have been speaking English. You have been speaking English. We have been speaking English. They have been speaking English. Kalau she has been speaking English. He has been speaking English. Ali has been speaking English. Oke, sekarang ke negatif sentence atau kalimat negatif. Rumusnya, subjek have atau has plus not plus been plus verb ing plus objek. Contoh, I haven't been speaking English. She hasn't been speaking English. Have not bisa diucapkan haven't. Has not bisa diucapkan hasn't. Oke, sekarang kita sampai ke kalimat interrogatif dari present perfect continuous. Rumusnya, have atau has plus subject plus been plus verb ing plus objek. Contoh, have you been speaking English? Have we been speaking English? Have they been speaking English? Kalau she, berarti gimana? Has she been speaking English? Has he been speaking English? Has Ali been speaking English? Jadi, penggunaan have has pada present perfect continuous itu sama dengan present perfect. Yang subjeknya they, we, I, you itu pakai have. Dan yang subjeknya he, she, it, Ali pakai has. Oke, itulah tadi macam-macam tenses pada present, yaitu simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. Selamat belajar teman-teman. Jangan lupa like, share, and subscribe-nya ya. Terima kasih, semoga bermanfaat. Bye, assalamualaikum.